this, please. Let me know something ASAPery. I bounce out, slapping beat, aftermarket factory. Cheesy Weezy, remember they used to laugh at me? I was doing bad, couldn't afford a meal at Apple. Down restaurants with Michelin stars be like, have a seat. Started in the dungeon, now there's luncheons for the faculty. They bless me. Funny thing is I ain't have to used to get no Gouda. Nowadays I'm having cheese. Grind for it, didn't whine for it. Why you mad at me? Entrepreneur, no job or salary. Started in the sewer, now I'm out the galaxy. Being broke will make you sick and activate your allergy. Got up on my hustle, moved the weight like calories. Knew I was the one since Dre had them dabbing sprees. Trunk rattling, waving at Madeline. With two punk rocks, Vanessa and Valerie.
On every beat like I'm Joe's son. I'm inquiring. Let me know something. A hustler. Some days I'm up until 4 something. I'm here for the lemon pepper, not to throw something. Jab, parry, hook.